Want to know how to earn rewards through referral links in Raid Cyber Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Cyber Legends game, and we have also created similar tutorial videos to getting help with Raid Cyber Legends, so make sure to watch it. So once everything is done and once you're on this interface right here, make sure you're on the main menu, and on the leftmost side you should be seeing your profile, and right below that you should be seeing referral program right here. You can just simply select that. So now once you've selected a referral program, you can get rewards just like this right here. So you can see on the rightmost side you can see various rewards that can be here, and just simply select get referral link. So once that is done, you can just simply select get referral link and your link should be there right here. Now you can just simply share to your messages, Facebook, and much more, just like this right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily get rewards through referral links in Red Hat Legends. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.